Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to set property of an Excel cell. Drag and drop Excel set property action from activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Set cell label property of Excel set property action. Set column index and row index property of Excel set property action. Set sheet name and workbook name property of Excel set property action. Set property value property of Excel set property action. Click Run button from toolbar. You can see the task is executed successfully.